Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how I scored 8.5 in IELTS reading. First thing I did was I got familiar with the format of the exam, and on YouTube I searched this channel called E2 Test Prep, and I searched their reading playlist. From their reading playlist I watched 3 to 4 videos, starting videos, where they were telling about the format of the exam, the number of questions asked, type of questions, and how to attempt a particular type of question. So after spending 3 to 4 days in actually 2 to 3 days in the knowing the format of the exam, I started giving the practice test. And on YouTube only, I searched IELTS reading practice test, general training, and I would give the test from the results. So on a daily I would give one test, and in the initial days I would score between 18 to 25 out of 40, which is a bit discouraging, and I was not concentrating on the test a lot. But after a few days I started concentrating more, and I started liking reading. So I started scoring between 32 to 36, and even on some days I would score 38. So at this stage I scheduled my test, and finally in the exam center I found 1 or 2 questions a bit confusing, and that is why I have not scored the full 9. But overall it was a good exam, and that was it. That's how I prepared. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.